I'm going to show you how to prepare a file for Cricut on how to cut your own handwriting. I came across this idea because I would like to take some of my grandmother's recipes and make a recipe box. And my grandmother had passed away several years ago, and I thought that that would be just a great thing to have, is take one of her recipes with her handwriting on it and put it on the front of the recipe box. Okay, so this is my own handwriting here. I took just a plain white piece of paper. I wrote, "Hello, have a great day, love, Alicia." I took a picture of this with my phone and I emailed it to myself. This was just taken on my kitchen table. So I'm going to right click here. I'm going to save the image. And we're just going to name this AC Handwriting. And I'm going to save this to my desktop. Okay, so now I can get out of this. We're going to go into this photo editor. You can use whatever photo editor you would like. I only need this for cropping only. So I'm going to upload the picture. I'm going to go back to my desktop. Here it is right here, AC Handwriting. Okay, so here is the picture of the white piece of paper that I took on the kitchen table. And I'm going to crop it and just get rid of the excess of the kitchen table in the background. Okay, and now I'm going to save this to my computer, and I'm just going to override this AC Handwriting, save. It says it already exists. Yes, I'm going to replace it. Okay, now I'm going to go over here to the Cricut Design Space. I'm going to upload the image. AC Handwriting. So you can see over here, we just have this picture where I wrote on a white piece of paper, and I'm going to click on Simple Image. I'm going to hit Continue. So this is kind of loading. So as you can tell, this is what we have, and is how we're going to prepare this for a cut image. Is we're going to go here to select and erase, and we're going to take out all of this background. You want it to have the blue and white check, so it's like a vector image. And you want to also pay special attention to these little bitty places in between. I'm going to take those out. We're going to click Continue. And as you can tell, over here on the right, this is our cut image. So we are going to save this. We're going to go to here and we're going to upload the image. And now it is ready to cut. You can size this however you would like to size it, or however you want to do this. And that is how you do your own handwriting. Thanks for watching.